I did a few pens a while back for my aunts and uncles, and coincidentally, completely coincidentally apparently, I got a commission from an old college friend who asked if I could make a set of pens for his brothers and sisters. And he has sent me this special wood. I'm going to get this wrong. I apologize if I get this wrong. I believe this is from a special tree at their mom's house. Or was it grandma's house? I'll have to check on that. Ooh, smells good. Smells like cedar. And let's see. Harbor Freight, if you're watching, hopefully this test of your moisture meter goes great. If not, maybe somebody wants to send me a better one. We'll see. So that's 6% right there. 7%. 7%. 6. All right, so that should be pretty good.